All right, if you don't know what's going on, I'm actually going to do an impression of Carlton from The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. My sister, Auntie Lella, has been dying for this. All right, here goes. Boys, what do you think of this impression?
A 10.
10, perfect, 10 out of 10. I don't think I've ever got that. That was amazing. I'm out of breath. If you don't know what's going on, I'm actually Professor Dave Maslach, and I created this whole reciprocity project. You can check it out. It's all about me giving back as much as I possibly can and creating things to give back to all of you. If you like this impression, give me a thumbs up. My kids actually brought me to do impressions every single day throughout the summertime. It is the coronavirus that's going on right now. It's 2020, and everybody is bored. So I got to go back to my dancing and enjoying myself and having fun. That's what life's all about. All right, here goes.